Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about isometric projection. Now let us discuss about the introduction part. Isometric projection is a method for visually representing three-dimensional objects in two dimensions in technical and engineering drawing. It is an axiometric projection in which the three coordinate axes appear equally forced or turned and the angle between any two of them are 120 degrees. Isometric terminology: the three coordinate axes are called isometric axes. Any line parallel to isometric axis is called as isometric line. A non-isometric line is a line not parallel to any one of the three isometric axes. In isometric projections of cube, the faces of the cube and any plane parallel to them is called isometric planes. Isometric scale: true lengths of the edges of the object are equally foreshortened. Correct isometric projections can be drawn using an isometric scale, always smaller than ordinary scale. Isometric drawing: isometric projection drawing prepared with isometric scale on isometric axis, and isometric drawings drawing prepared with ordinary scale on isometric axis.
Let us discuss the problems on isometric. First question is a rectangular pyramid of a base 40 mm, length and breadth 20 mm and height 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab of dimension 80 mm by 40 mm and height 20 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of solids. For this above question, consider a node whereas isometric boxes represented of scale 1 unit is equal to 8.164 mm and all dimensions are measured in the box.
And mark as a reference one point. Mark 80 mm of the length with a 30-degree angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and join. Next, a 40 mm. Mark a 40 mm of breadth with an angle of 150. 1, 2, 3, 4 and join. Again, take the 80 mm of length with an angle of minus 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and join this. And again, take the 40 mm of breadth with an angle of minus 30. 1, 2, 3, 4 and join. And take 20 mm of height from each edges. 20 mm of height from each edges and join the each endpoint. Joining all the endpoints, this looks like a cubic shape.
So now mark the midpoint from the rectangular slab. Now study the midpoint from the rectangular slab. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we get the midpoint. From this midpoint, mark 20 mm from left side and right side. 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. So let us join these all the points. join all the points which makes a rectangular, and from midpoint take a height of 50 mm. 0 1 2 3 4 5, and from this join all these edges. So now we got the pyramid. So darken all the visible lines. So now rub these lines. We erased the interior lines and darkened the exterior lines. So now here we can see the rectangular. We place the rectangular pyramid on the top of the rectangular slab. Thank you.
Let us discuss about a second question. A frustum of a square pyramid of side 40 mm base and 20 mm top edge and height 60 mm resting on the center of the top of the square block of 60 mm side and height 20 mm. The base edge of the pyramid is parallel to the edge of the square block. Draw the isometric projection of the solids.
Consider a reference axis. Draw four sides of 60 mm with an angle tilted with 30 degree. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from this point, draw a 60 mm line from an angle 150 degree. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now draw minus 150 degree with a 60 mm line. Join the line with an angle minus 30 degree. Now let us take a height of 20 mm from the above question. Each edge join all the points which forms the square block. Now consider a midpoint from the square block. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And now draw from this midpoint, draw the square block. Zero, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now from the midpoint, draw a 60 mm line. From the top of the point, draw a 20 mm of square block. And join the points. Now erase the interior line. Now darken the exterior lines. A frustum of a square pyramid is placed on the top of the square block is seen here. Thank you.